Hello everybody. Let's discuss our first reading, that is, what is translation? Well, actually you read this reading before, so let's discuss about it. As you see, the first part of the reading was that they are discussing about how difficult it is to make a definition of translation because it involves many things. That is true. But the most important is this about translation. According to what I read and my opinion and experience, translation is the way that we transmit the information in the main language to other language. Okay? Translation is the way that we can communicate our ideas or his or her ideas for others. This is very nice, right? This is like communication. It's the way that we can communicate the ideas of other people for us, and we can give our ideas to others with the same feeling, with the same message. That is the idea about it. Okay, so in the second part we have your language skills. Of course it's necessary, it's important to have a good level of English, I think so. Taking account the common European framework for reference. Okay, so especially when you need to take an international exam to show your level, to certificate your level of English. And also in this part we focus on writing, listening, speaking, reading skills, but not exactly for translation skills. Because for translation skills we need, of course, a certain level of English, but also you need some lexical vocabulary a lot. That's why, of course, you want to be a translator. I strongly recommend you to choose a specialty. Alright, just one specialty. I mean, vocabulary, technical vocabulary of medicine, engineering, education, or others. No? Depends on you. Much better this. Okay, much better for you. Just to know one thing, but you know it perfectly. Because if you are in many parts, so it won't be easy for you. I mean, it will be really difficult. Okay, for example, in my case, I try to be just on educational information. And also you can get more vocabulary about what you like most, and you can help other people. Okay. Of course, as I told you, you want to be a translator, so you need to study a second specialty maybe, because in this course you will give some tips, skills, just to practice, but not exactly to get all the information, because it's, being a translator is like a other career. Okay, but the idea is that you get the previous knowledge in order to apply it and get valuable information. Okay, that is the idea about it. Yes, that is the idea about the first topic, taking account the importance of translation, how translation is very important for us. And also, as you see the syllabus, in this semester we're discussing about important vocabulary for educational skills, about specifically in the nowadays or this moment the use of technology in English. But we are going to translate some documents from English to Spanish and to Spanish to English. And this is about the good thing about translation. Most of the time the good information is in English. So when you translate that, it could help you according to your career, according to what you want to get from this information to know. And also your job can be shared with other people and with other teachers. And the other teachers will be very happy to get that information, because most of the time, as you know, they don't know English very well, so they do not prefer to read that because it's in English and he or she doesn't understand it. But if you translate this, you can help your community, you can help your colleagues, and this is very nice, right? And the same happens with other people from different countries, that they speak different languages. If you, for example, the other people, American people, that they don't know English, anything, they found an important information in Spanish. So you can translate that into English and you can give the message, the feeling for those people. They will be very happy to get information in English, and they can make more information. Yes, that is the good thing about translation. I mean, the communication, the exactly ideas, the feeling, the message that you can get from this. Okay, so in this course we are going to practice a lot, not only information, because most of the time will be scientific articles, because we must be in touch with this. Okay, we are finishing the career, so we need to make research about it. All your ideas are going to be amazing, but you have to put in a paper to share with the community, because your ideas can be a solution in our city, especially because we have to do many things as English teachers. And I'm sure you have amazing ideas, and we'll help you to make it real. Alright, don't worry about it. So as I told you, we are practicing translating from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, and also you will translate some instructional videos, because it's important to practice our English skills. It's the only way. Okay, and that is, I hope you understand this topic indeed. Alright, the importance of translation. How important is translation for our lives in general, according to understand some important topics in English or Spanish, or maybe different language, who knows. But most of the time in this semester, just English, Spanish. Because most of the time the good information is in English, but of course there are certainly important information in Spanish that is really useful. I'm very happy to talk to you. Let's discuss later here by Pertic. Thank you so much for your time.